Okay guys, just a quick update here. For people who've been following this, if you have been following it, the triple carb setup, I've got a few sod carbs and they're seized that and I can't use them, so I'm not gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with twin SUs. So I know it's gonna be wrong and I'm gonna get hated for it, but you know what? Fuck off. Exhaust valves I found, they'll work. Test fitted, got that done. So nice. And I found a 4.2 manifold, which I've blocked up all the auxiliary crap. I've kept that one, which is the booster servo. Now, I might not necessarily use it, but I might keep it in the manifold because I might want it. I've got a cable throttle anyways, because so I'm not going to. And this obviously is my outlet one. So the pipes are next on the agenda. I've got to find them. I'm not using these other ones, so I'll just run them off. But I'm going to use the one from here to the control valve, then from the control valve to the tank, and I'm going to come straight back with the pipe straight through there, and come straight round and straight back to the system. So I'm not having it to go through the bulkhead. I know you're going to hate me, and it's going to be all fuck off. Right, so that's at that. Now, the clutch master cylinder is going to be slightly old as well. This might well get this crap took off and become, I don't know, might become a different colour. I don't know what we're going to do yet. I've decided I'd like it to be silver. I think it'd be nice to be silver. But if it is silver, we need to polish it, and then I need to get it. You know, so I don't know. We'll see. We got the roll covers for tomorrow. So I don't know. I don't want the triple carbs are just going to take me hours and hours, and I'd rather just use I've got a manual triple carbs. I'm going to use two of them. In my experience, and I'm going to say this to you, all the haters out there, two 2-inch SUs actually, just to my mind, produce as much power than triples or Webers if they're tuned right and the engine's any good. Now we know that the engine's old. The carbs are old, they're worn out, everything's worn out. So I restored some carbs for another car on the wrong manifold. I was going to use them on my 420G, and I did those carbs. Now I've got those carbs on a 420G manifold setup, and everyone's going to go, well, you can put them on there, you can put them on there, yeah, I could, but there's a lot of modifications because of the size of the bolts. There's so many things I've got to do, so I can't do all of it. I can only do what I can do. And at the moment in time, this is an awful lot of work what I'm doing here. So for all you people who are going to say, yeah, well, you could, yeah. Listen, you can always put the triple carbs on it when I'm dead. Someone wants to find the Goldie chains, and when you find the Goldie chains in it, you'll make it worthwhile, because the Goldie chains are here. They're here. I wasn't lying. They're there. Look. There they are. See? So we're going to hide the Goldie chains in it, and the Goldie chains are always going to be there. And then when somebody finds it when I'm long gone, they can then use them Goldie chains to buy, because I think the manifolds might exist. I'll probably chuck the manifolds in with it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see anyway. We will see. I'm not going to, But at the minute, I'm going with those. I know everyone's going to hate me, but I'm going to go with them. I've got a plan to fit them, and I've got an American style in, and I've got an air cleaner, but I'm going to use a K&M filter, so that's it. So, yeah, they're not holes, they're dirt. For anybody who's commenting about that, yeah, they're not holes. It's dirt and chips where I chip the paint off, so. As they say, as that guy says, French Connection, that's what I'm thinking of you lot. If you're thinking about my French engine frames, they're no good. So it's wheels, guys. It's not far. If I can get a start motor, if I had a start motor, I'd have had this cranking over. I'm timed up on top dead center number 1 for a distributor, and I've got to go here. There we go. There's a lovely British Leyland electronic distributor. See that? Yeah. Now, there's a Lucas ignition amplifier, and there's the plug that goes into the Lucas ignition amplifier. Oh, what do there? Oh, happy days. Well, there you go then. So there's my distributor. I'll just give it a clean up. go with a silly small thing. That's all right. That's fine. That could be good. And I've got plenty of carb inlets for twins, but not I've only got a couple triples. I mean, come on, guys. As I said before, could be worse. It could be you. Time's precious. Waste it wisely. And just remember, you're a long time dead. And if I get to drive this once down the road while I'm still sucking wind, it'll be more than probably most people will do in their entire lives. So, gotta say, guys, if you can enjoy me doing it, keep looking. Because it could be the only brush painted white E-Type in the world. But if the 60th anniversary's on, it'll be there. I'm not driving it. I'm taking my Roadster. So, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye for now.